7 Habits of the Quietly Wealthy. The richest people I know don't look rich. They drive 10-year-old Toyotas, shop at regular stores, and you'd never guess they have millions in the bank. Because real wealth isn't flashy. It's about what's happening behind the scenes: smart investments, disciplined spending, and long-term thinking. Here are 7 quiet habits the truly wealthy live by. 1. They automate everything. Quietly wealthy people automate their money. Savings, investments, and bills all done without thinking. I do this too. On payday, money automatically moves to my emergency fund, investment accounts, and bills. It removes the temptation to spend and builds wealth consistently. They don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. 2. They focus on value, not price. They're not cheap, they're smart. They'll spend $200 on boots that last 10 years, but won't waste $50 on trendy shoes that fall apart. It's not about what's affordable, it's about what's worth it. As Warren Buffett said, price is what you pay. Value is what you get. 3. They track net worth, not just income. Most people obsess over salary. Quietly wealthy people focus on what they keep. When I started in banking, I earned well and spent it all. I looked successful, but my net worth was zero. Wealthy people track their assets minus debts and focus on growing that number over time. 4. They think in decades, not months. Quietly wealthy people play the long game. They're not focused on this month's spending, they're thinking 10 to 20 years ahead. They understand compound interest takes time, and they give it that time. You can reach your 40s with a bunch of stuff, or with financial freedom. If you love my videos, help me by subscribing and liking. 5. They build multiple income streams. This is key. Quietly wealthy people don't rely on one income. Maybe it's a job plus investments. Rental income. Dividends. A small side hustle. It doesn't have to be big, it just has to grow. 6. They avoid lifestyle inflation. Most people get a raise and start spending more. Quietly wealthy people pretend the raise never happened. They keep their lifestyle the same or only upgrade a small part. The rest goes to building wealth. 7. They respond, they don't react. During economic crashes, flashy investors panic. Quietly wealthy people adapt. They cut back, stay calm, and often take advantage of opportunities others miss. Recap: the quiet habits that build wealth. 1. Automate your money. 2. Spend for value, not vanity. 3. Focus on net worth. 4. Think long term. 5. Diversify income. 6. Resist lifestyle creep. 7. Respond with intention. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.